High in the misty mountains, a curious goat named Gideon gazes down at the sunny farm valley below. Down in the pasture, a brave little lamb named Lulu stares up at the towering peaks. When a sudden storm sends Lulu scrambling up the mountain trails and Gideon trotting down to help, these unlikely friends discover that their worlds aren't so different after all. Join an adventurous herd of mountain animals, sure-footed goats, wise old eagles, and mischievous marmots, and friendly farm creatures. Dogs have been companions to humans for over 15,000 years, originally domesticated from wolves, and have served various roles such as hunters, protectors, and companions. A dog's hearing is far better than a human's. They can hear sounds in the range of 40 Hz to 60 kHz. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years, originally in North Africa, and have played a vital role in transport and farming. Donkeys are extremely intelligent and cautious, often mistaken as stubborn, but they just don't do anything that seems unsafe to them. Donkeys are very vocal. Their distinctive bray or Pandas are native to the mountain ranges in central China, where they live in temperate forests with a lot of bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary animals. Each adult panda has its own home range, and they only come together during mating season. Pandas have a very short breeding season, only a few days each year. Black bears are omnivores, eating a wide variety of foods like berries, nuts, insects, fish, small mammals, and even carrion. Black bears live across North America, from Canada to Mexico, in forests, swamps, and mountainous regions. Black bears aren't always black. They can be brown, cinnamon, blonde, or even white, like the rare spirit bear of British Columbia. Cats have been domesticated for around 9,000 years, originally valued for hunting rodents in grain stores. Cats purr not only when happy, but also when in pain, anxious, or healing. Purring is believed to have a calming and possibly healing effect. Cats use their whiskers to sense their environment, helping them detect movement Cows are herbivores, meaning they only eat plant-based food like grass, hay, and grains. They can eat for up to 8 hours a day, consuming around 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of food daily. Cows have 4 stomach chambers, the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum, which help them digest tough Leopards are found in sub-Saharan Africa, parts of the Middle East, India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. Leopards eat a variety of prey, including deer, antelope, warthogs, monkeys, birds, and rodents. Leopards often drag their kill up into trees to protect it from scavengers like hyenas and lions. Leopards can thrive in a wide range of climates and conditions. Mountain goats are renowned for their exceptional climbing skills, navigating steep, rocky slopes with ease. Their muscular forelimbs and specialized hooves aid in this agility. Mountain goats are herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants, including grasses, herbs, sedges, ferns, mosses, lichens, and twigs and leaves from low-growing shrubs and conifers. Mountain goats face threats from predators such as black and brown bears, Rabbits' teeth never stop growing. To keep them from getting too long, rabbits constantly gnaw on grass, bark, or hay. Rabbits are not rodents. They belong to a group called lagomorphs, which also includes hares and pikas. Rabbits communicate through body language, thumping their back feet to signal danger, or flattening their ears when scared or angry. Rabbits produce a special type of poop called cecotropes, which they eat to redigest and extract more nutrients. Camels have humps that store fat, not water. Contrary to popular belief, their humps hold fat reserves that they can convert into energy and water when food is scarce. Camels can survive for weeks without water. They can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go, and store it efficiently in their bodies. Sheep are social animals that live in flocks and form strong bonds with each other. They often become stressed or anxious when separated from their group. Sheep produce wool, a natural fiber that keeps them warm and is used by humans for clothing. One sheep can produce several kilograms of wool each year. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult male hippos can weigh up to 4,000 pounds, 1,800 kilograms, and females are usually a bit smaller. Despite their massive size, they can run surprisingly fast. Hippos spend most of their time in water, which helps them stay cool. Lions are apex predators. As the top predators in their ecosystem, lions play a crucial role in controlling the populations of herbivores and maintaining the balance of the food chain in their habitats. Lions can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, but only for short bursts. They rely on stealth and teamwork to get close to their prey before making their move. Polar bears have large paws, which help them distribute their weight on the ice and act like snowshoes. Their paws are also covered in fur to prevent slipping on icy surfaces. Polar bear cubs are born very small. At birth, they weigh only about 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms, and they are blind and helpless. They stay with their mothers for about 2.5 years before becoming independent. Polar bears are solitary animals. Reindeer are excellent migrators. They are known for their incredible long-distance migrations. Some herds travel over 2,000 miles, 200 kilometers, every year, the longest migration of any land mammal. Reindeer are social animals. They typically live in herds that can range from small family groups to massive herds of thousands of individuals, especially during migrations. Reindeer have a rich cultural significance. In folklore, zebras are native to Africa, and there are 3 main species: the plains zebra, the grassy zebra, and the mountain zebra. Each species has slightly different characteristics and habitats. Zebras are herbivores and primarily eat grasses, leaves, and bark. They can graze for long hours and have adapted to survive in tough conditions by eating a variety of plant materials. Zebras are excellent runners and can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. The African elephant is the largest species, with males weighing up to 14,000 pounds, 16,350 kilograms, and standing up to 13 feet, 4 meters tall at the shoulder. Elephants have long trunks, which are incredibly versatile. They can use their trunks to pick up food, drink water, communicate, and even help in social interactions, like greeting or comforting each other. Bulls are adult male cattle, typically referred to as bulls when they have not been castrated. The females are called cows, and the young are calves. Bulls are known for their strength, often used for breeding purposes in herds, as well as for working in traditional farming or ranching environments. Bulls have a strong sense of smell. Lionesses live in groups called prides, which can consist of 10 to 15 lions, including cubs and a few adult males. Lionesses give birth in secluded spots and keep cubs hidden for the first few weeks. Many cubs don't survive past their first year, often due to predation or infanticide by new males. Lionesses give birth in secluded spots and keep cubs hidden for the first few weeks. Lionesses live in groups called prides, which can consist of 10 to 15 lions, including cubs and a few adult males. Lionesses give birth in secluded spots and keep cubs hidden for the first few weeks. These unlikely friends discover that their worlds aren't so different after all. Join an adventurous herd of mountain animals, sure-footed goats, wise old eagles, and mischievous marmots, and friendly farm creatures, curious sheep, determined ponies, and chatty chickens, as they team up for the greatest climb of their lives. Through rocky challenges and slippery slopes, they learn that teamwork makes every journey easier, and that true friendship can bridge any distance.